If you're coming to Mallorca and you're thinking of booking a photo shoot, but you don't really know how it works and if it's worth it and how much it costs, then this video is for you. I'll walk you through on exactly what you get, how much it costs, and what the whole experience is like when you book a session with me. I'm Jess, a photographer here in Mallorca, and I keep things very natural, fun and relaxed. Whether it's a family shoot, a couple session, or just something you want to remember your holiday by, I've got you covered. So I offer 4 simple packages. I have the Essentials mini package for 120 for 20 minutes, and it's great if you just want something short and sweet. So the next package I have is the basic package for 150 for 30 minutes, and you get 30 images. So the step up here from the Essentials mini package is 150, so a little bit more than the Essentials package. And it's for 30 minutes instead of 20 minutes, and you get 30 images instead of 20 images. So this package is good to go for if you want just a little bit more extra images rather than just 20 images and a little bit of a longer session. Next, there's the book package for 275 for 45 minutes, where you can get 40 images digitally downloaded, plus a custom-made photo book made by me, where you can pick 28 of your favourite images from the session. So you don't have to worry about printing out the images when you get home. It's all done for you and delivered straight to your doorstep. Then the fourth and final package that I offer is the large canvas package for 340 for 60 minutes, and you can still, on this package, you can get the same photo book that you get on the previous package, but this time you can get the photo book and you also can get a large canvas as well with this package. And the canvas size is 28 by 20 inches. And if you'd like to book a photo shoot with me, I just require a €30 deposit to lock in the date and time, and the rest is paid on the day. Super easy, no hidden fees or any complicated stuff.
Squirrel!
One of the things that I hear most from my clients is just how much fun they had. Even people who say they don't like their photo taken. Kids feel at ease, couples can just enjoy the moment, and families get memories that they actually want to frame. So if you're coming to Mallorca and you want some beautiful photos taken to remember your trip, head to my website just here, jcphotographymallorca.com/prices, or drop me a message. I'd love to help plan your session. So if this video helped you, give it a like and hit the subscribe button. It's a tiny click for you, but it makes a huge difference to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in front of my camera soon.